Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to connect the iPhone now. Start with the essentials. Plug a certified Lightning or USB-C cable into the phone and the laptop, then unlock the iPhone so the system can see it. If you're on Mac OS Catalina or later use Finder, on Windows or older Mac OS open iTunes, make sure software is updated so drivers match. Once the cable's in and the app is open, look for the device icon or name. This confirms the computer recognizes your phone. Now choose how you'll move files and why each method matters. For photos, open Photos or Finder and import by selecting images and dragging them to a folder. That's fast for large batches. For music and podcasts, use the sync or music pane in iTunes so playlists and metadata stay intact. For app documents, open file sharing inside Finder or iTunes and copy files to and from the app folders. This ensures app data remains usable on finish by confirming transfers and safely disconnecting. Once files appear in their destination folders or apps, click Eject in Finder or iTunes so the phone finishes any background write operations, then unplug. Verify a few sample files open correctly on the laptop and on the iPhone to confirm integrity. If something goes wrong and the device isn't detected, make sure you tap Trust on the phone, try a different cable or USB port, and restart both devices. Those steps fix most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.